Beginning this summer, HP added a new feature to their physical calculator. You are now able to set the dim time for the calculator to dim from 30 seconds to whatever you would like. The best way to do this is from the cassette window. Notice we are already at cassette. If not, press the cassette button to get there. Then you will want to type in, for example, 1 minute or 60 seconds. You will type in 60,000 because the number is in milliseconds. You will press the store button. Notice it's blue. And we will want to come up with the variable that has to do with this. So we will go to variables and we will press the home button. And then we will go to 7 for system. And we will go to TDIM, 7 again. And press enter. The calculator switches this over to the other way to type in a function, which is with the colon equal. You can also type it in directly like this if you prefer. This feature only affects the physical calculator. It doesn't seem to have any effect on the virtual emulator. If we wanted it for a minute and a half, we would type in 90,000, and if we wanted it for 2 minutes, we would type in 120,000.